let's discuss some tips of perfect morning routine in summer. We all heard the morning mantras early to bed and early to rise. The early bird gets the worm, and so many more. That's because the morning hours are some of the most important hours of your entire day. It all starts with a little planning and sometimes spent organizing your morning before it even gets a chance to sneak up on you. Uh, Kid, actually, we know that in the morning, kids, traffic, work deadlines, life event, um, every other stressful life events always seems to culminate in the morning. Exactly. When you are in a rush to head out, something will break. A child will cry or coffee will spill. What if there was a way to prevent the most problematic and frustrating things from happening? How can you ensure a smooth go in the early hours? The morning is where the root of productivity, energy, and positivity stems from. By having a solid start to your morning, you can kickstart a prosperous rest of your day. Let's dive into some of the tips you can use to get you there. First of all, it's the check the weather. The weather can easily make or break your day in one quick swoop. Although it is never possible to know exactly what the clouds, wind, and temperatures will do, having a rough idea on what might happen can save you plenty of stress. So for this, it is very necessary that you can check the local weather for current conditions and the daily forecast each morning. You can better plan your outfits, whether you should bring your umbrella, what your outdoor activities will look like, and so much more. Staying in the know will help you avoid getting rained on, wearing the wrong shoes, or even when to cancel your outdoor lunch plans. Mother Nature can be your greatest ally. Next, it start with exercise. A brisk jog around the neighborhood, laps around the pool, pumping iron at the local gym, a bike ride, or any other activity is a great way to get going. By getting your body going early, it can fuel your energy levels from the whole day and even carry you through the mid afternoon slump. Getting physical is the most beneficial ways to start your morning. Breakfast is a great way to provide your body with the energy it needs. This will help you concentrate during those seemingly endless meetings, keep you pushing forward until lunch, and even boost your short term memory. A balanced meal containing protein to keep you satiated, carbs to energize your body, and fiber to benefit your digestive system can make the difference between making it to your 1 p.m. meeting and snoozing at your desk. With so much going on at the start of the day, getting a good breakfast in your belly may be easier said than done. You can also take tea or coffee or even a fresh juice with them. Now, the next is one of the best ways to set the tone for the day is by setting your intentions bright and early. With a clear picture and goals put in place, you are more likely to accomplish more meaningful activities and cross more of your to do list. Make your list specific down to the how and when, and narrow down your focus on exactly what needs to get completed to avoid being sidetracked. Before the day gets ahead of you, the morning is the optimal time to establish that you will stick to your commitments. Meetings, phone calls, lunch dates, appointments, and everything else that falls within your day can quickly get away from you if concentrated efforts aren't made to keep them. Thank you.